Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do bubble braids, just like these. They're so fun and cute, and you could honestly wear them for like almost any occasion. They're just so cute. All you need is like little hair ties. These I think were like 99 cents, and you get like 250 of them. They're like little elastics. Hair oil, this one's the Rich Argan Oil Elixir, a hair clip, teasing comb, a wide tooth comb, and then hairspray. This is the Kenra hairspray, which I've had honestly forever, but yeah. And then I put in extensions that were like pre-brushed and everything. They're the Bellamy ones. You don't have to have extensions to do this, but I just like to add the length. But yeah. So if you want to see how to get these braids, just keep watching. So first I'm going to take oil for my hair. It's an argan oil, and I'm not gonna put a lot just because I don't want to wash my hair like too many times this week. So I'm gonna put about like a dime sized amount and rub it through. Mostly concentrating on roots and the ends. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb everything out. Then I'm going to section out my hair. So usually I just start off with a very thin layer at the bottom. So like only this much as the bottom layer. And then I'm going to start putting in my extensions. So what I do with mine, since my hair is really thick, is I double them up. So like the extensions I got come with like 10 pieces, I think. So there's like 2 of these 3-clip ones, so I just stacked them on top of each other. And I always start with the 3-clip on the bottom. And they're snap-in, so it's super easy. And then the 3-clip like fits perfectly on that part of my hair. And then once they're in, I'm just going to divide it into 2 and put it on the side just to make it easier at the end. And then I'm going to do that one more time. So I just put a little bit of my natural hair on top of the last extensions. Now I'm going in with the 4 clips, and again I doubled these up. And divide them into 2. Okay, so now, just so I get like enough thickness around my head, I add 2 of the 2 clips, and I add them more towards the front, and then these are the last ones that I add, even though like I have 4 1 pieces, but you don't really need them if your hair is not going to be down. So then I let my last layer down, and then I part my hair evenly, of course. Now that I look like Sharon Osbourne, which is not a bad thing. Okay, so now I'm taking my teasing comb, and I'm just gonna like tease my top layer. It kind of hides, I mean you can't really see the clips, but it helps hide them like once they're in the ponytails. So just to add a little bit of volume, and then I'm going to section them off. So there's no hair behind me. It's just separated into 2 sections. I'm going to take 2 of my rubber bands and just like do normal pigtails. Kind of like right below my ear. And then these are small, but I like to go around twice. Like so, and then the other one. Okay, so this is what you should have so far. Now what I basically do is, and you can do as many as you want or that will fit, but I like to have 4 on each side. So I'll like go down a little bit, and then I put a rubber band there, and once again I just go around with it twice. And then it's super easy, but here's where like you create the bubbles. So you take that little section like in between the bands and you separate it into two. Like, do you see how, let me get up, there's like a hole in there, and then the ponytail at the bottom you put in, coming towards yourself, and pull it out, and then you have a bubble. And at the end I like go through and adjust them to how I want them. So I'm gonna create 3 more on this side and then do the other side, and then I'll go adjust them. So once again, a hole, flip in, pull out, and voila. And kind of before like the end, you have to like scrunch them up just so you can get 4 in. Okay, so now that they're like all done, I like to go in and like kind of just tug on them and like make them like messy looking, and just like bigger. So if you like pull out, it makes them bigger, and then you have to pull the ones below it to make them bigger, and then it also like shortens the braid. Like, do you see how fat this one is, and then like this one's longer because I haven't done it yet, but I like the fatter look. Okay, so once you have your desired fatness, I like to pull out like some of my bangs. They aren't really bangs. I just don't like not having some hair out, and then I pull on like where I tease kind of, so my head doesn't look so flat. Not that my head would ever look flat because it's huge, but you know what I mean. So there you have your braids, and then if you're like me and Mother Nature hates you, I have like these weird frizzy things. It mostly happens like right after I shower and stuff. I'm just gonna smooth those out with my hairspray and a comb. I don't want like too much just because I don't want to be sticky. And I can never get them all smooth, but... And then I'm gonna spray each bubble, that way it's smooth too. And there you have your bubble braids. Literally took me 8 minutes, 5 minutes. So easy, you don't need a lot of stuff. You can even do it obviously if you don't have extensions. It's just gonna be like however long your hair is, you know? But I love them. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly?